What's up, guys? Welcome back to the video and Magic Zap. This is not exactly going to be a demo of Magic Zap, but it's more so going to be telling you how it works, because with Magic Zap, it's like a super powered software that allows you to do magical things to make your website a sales tool and personally customize it to whoever is visiting your website. So Magic Zap, it basically allows you to create personal dynamic websites which do special things. For example, if someone visits your site, your website or your landing page, if you have a Magic Zap attached to it, it would literally customize the landing page to the person who's visiting. So for example, if I came to a landing page and a Magic Zap was attached to it, it would say something like, "Hey Chris, how are you doing today?" or whatever. Or, "Hey Chris, blah 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 blah." Literally. So if someone named John came to it, it would say like, "Hey John, blah blah blah." It would literally customize to each person who visits the page, and it allows you to automate a ton of different things as well. So if you think that's cool, literally with Magic Zap, you can literally have someone come to your page. The Magic Zap will see that and send off an automation to send off an email, a call. It will send off like a call to the sales team to let them know that someone's on the page right now. They're interested in buying or whatever. It can send a text message to them. Literally, if they're on the website, if Magic Zap is attached, you can literally set all that up and automate it, and basically have it fire off zaps to send out cold emails or emails to the person's email, or you know things like that. Give them a call, automate the call sequence and everything. Literally, it's super powerful. It's crazy. So there's 312 total zaps, 14,000 automated, 240,000, 45,000 total page views, and total users there's 4,000, 5,000 views. So, like I said, it allows you to create personalized and pre-populated forms, track website views and traffic, trigger Zapier automation on specific website activity. So it's super powerful. I'm not really going to go into I'm not actually going to demo this for you guys, but it's pretty simple, straight to the point. I'm actually going to go in the back, and the reason I'm not going to demo is because it requires, it goes over URL parameters, things like that. So if you actually just if you do create an account, there is tutorial videos on the inside. It's pretty simple. There's 10 tutorial videos, pretty simple. And once you go through those tutorial videos, it's pretty simple to set up. And all you have to do is, once that's set up, you copy the code, put it on your website, and that's basically it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in Magic Zap, literally it's a game changer. I'm going to be implementing all this stuff into my business. Like I said before, to be transparent, not transparent, transparent. I am partnered with Tier 5. So if you do purchase through me, you're buying through Silver Fox 8. So I just want to be transparent about that. So I'll see you guys in another video. Take care.